Alright, so real quick, I also wanted to do a vacuuming with my 3522 since I haven't featured it in my channel in a while, ever since, well, the update, but that doesn't really count. But yeah, I'm gonna run it today, see how it does in the master bedroom. Like I said, I did put the halogen bulb back in here because it's a little more nostalgic. But yeah, real quick, let's run this thing. It's still stupidly bright. It might even be brighter than the LED. What the hell? I have no idea what that was about, but okay. yeah, this thing still runs pretty strong. I don't know what the hell happened earlier or why it did that weird thing, but it's working now. Is that HEPA filter out of place? No, okay. I'm gonna check the brush roller again. Oh, that's just the base, okay. Yeah, brush roller's okay. Maybe it just sucked up something I didn't see. I usually try to treat these the best I can, though. Yeah. Overall, still love this thing. I think it does still look better with the halogen bulb. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.